Discover outstanding imaging performance without overspending with this powerful thermal camera. The best budget thermal camera combines impressive heat detection, crisp visuals, and simple controls, making it ideal for homeowners, hobbyists, and professionals seeking reliable thermal insights at an affordable price. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. AMPBANK H128 Thermal Camera. The AMPBANK H128 thermal camera is designed for professionals and enthusiasts who need reliable, high-resolution infrared imaging in a portable package. With its enhanced 240 by 240 TISR resolution, this thermal imager doubles the clarity of standard 128 units, producing crisp, detailed thermal images that make identifying hotspots, insulation gaps, or electrical faults much easier. Its impressive thermal sensitivity of 40 millikelvin allows it to detect the smallest temperature differences, while a smooth 25 Hz frame rate prevents lag and enables fluid tracking of moving heat sources during inspections. This performance is paired with a built-in rechargeable battery that can run for up to 24 hours, so long field sessions or back-to-back inspections are no problem. The intelligent auto shutdown feature helps preserve battery life, ensuring the camera is always ready. Temperature readings are precise, offering a resolution of 0.1 degrees Celsius and +3% accuracy. Adjustable distance and emissivity settings let users fine-tune measurements for different materials, such as concrete, brick, or metal, boosting measurement reliability across applications. Despite its advanced capabilities, the H128 maintains a rugged, user-friendly design. It's compact and easy to carry, yet tough enough to survive drops from 6.56 feet and resists dust and water thanks to its IP65 rating. Number 2. TOPDON TC002C Thermal Camera. The TOPDON TC002C thermal camera builds on the success of its predecessor to deliver an exceptionally versatile and user-friendly infrared imaging solution. Its standout feature is universal USB-C compatibility, enabling plug-and-play use with a wide range of smartphones and tablets across Android, iOS, and Windows platforms. Perfect for inspectors, DIYers, or anyone who wants to leverage their mobile device as a thermal display. Super Resolution (TISR) technology enhances the base 256 by 192 resolution to an impressive 512 by 384, revealing finer details with a smooth 25 Hz refresh rate and a sensitive 40 mK detector for accurate, real-time tracking. This means the camera can catch subtle heat variations, making it ideal for diagnosing HVAC issues, checking electrical panels, or even creative uses like pet games or home security. It measures temperatures from -4 degrees to 1022 degrees with an error margin of only +2 Celsius or 2%, offering reliable readings across a wide application range. Real-time waveform changes, customizable temperature limits, and multiple color palettes enhance on-screen visualization, while built-in photo and video recording simplifies documentation and reporting. Number 3. Handheld 60 Hz Thermal Camera. This handheld 60 Hz thermal camera stands out for combining high-end features with portability and speed, making it a top pick for professionals who demand fast, detailed results. It sports a 3.5-inch 640 by 480 IPS display and a built-in 2MP visible light camera for crisp overlays and clear readings. Thanks to upgraded X3 IR technology, thermal resolution jumps from 256 by 192 to 512 by 384, while its ultra-fine 35 millikelvin sensitivity reveals subtle temperature differences that many budget devices would miss. The 60 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth, flicker-free imaging during dynamic inspections, particularly valuable for moving machinery, fast electrical diagnostics, or live HVAC systems. Its temperature range from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 1022 degrees with plus or minus 3.6 degrees accuracy covers everything from home insulation checks to industrial equipment maintenance. Users can adjust emissivity for different materials and measure 6 points simultaneously, including center, hottest, coldest, and 3 user-defined spots, providing a fuller thermal profile in one shot. Connectivity options also shine. USB PC link for real-time thermal analysis on a larger screen, and Wi-Fi pairing with smartphones or iPads for flexible operation in the field. Number 4. HSFTOOW Thermal Camera. The HSFTOOW thermal camera blends cutting-edge resolution and intelligent scene analysis into a lightweight, easy-to-use unit designed to accelerate inspections and boost accuracy. Its live super-resolution algorithm upgrades the 256 by 192 detector to an outstanding 640 by 480 super resolution, giving inspectors an HD-like view of heat patterns. Paired with 40 millikelvin sensitivity and a 25 Hz refresh rate, it delivers smooth, detailed imaging even in challenging conditions. Users can switch among 7 color palettes at the touch of a button for clearer visualization of anomalies. The F2W also introduces unique intelligent features such as IntelliFault and ProScene Color Alarm, which leverage deep learning to automatically identify potential water leaks, insulation gaps, or abnormal temperature areas and alert the user. This smart automation reduces guesswork and speeds up inspections for both beginners and seasoned professionals. Connectivity is another strong suit. Built-in Wi-Fi and the free HSFTOOLS app make it easy to capture, analyze, and share images directly from a smartphone or tablet. For more advanced analysis, the FST Studio PC software offers tools like screen projection, 3D plotting, and real-time monitoring, extending the camera's usefulness for detailed reporting or client presentations. Number 5. TOPDON TC004 Thermal Camera. The TOPDON TC004 thermal camera offers an attractive balance of resolution, accuracy, and long-lasting power for professionals tackling a variety of diagnostic tasks. Featuring a 256 by 192 sensor with less than 40 millik sensitivity, it delivers sharp images and quick readings across a temperature range of -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 662 degrees Fahrenheit. 3 measurement modes, center point, maximum, and minimum, give flexibility in analyzing hotspots or cold areas. Its 25 Hz frame rate provides real-time feedback without lag, which is crucial for moving components or fast inspections. The device connects easily to a Windows PC via USB for online analysis, enabling real-time monitoring, 3D imaging, and point-line surface temperature measurements. Users can export saved images, create detailed data reports, and perform deeper analysis offline. With up to 32 gigabytes of expandable memory, the TC004 stores large volumes of images and videos for future reference. The one-touch photo and video capture function streamlines documentation, making it easier to share findings with clients or colleagues. Ideal for power monitoring, boiler inspection, home maintenance, circuit testing, and HVAC work, the TC004 is a dependable, feature-rich thermal camera that offers professional-grade performance at a budget-friendly price point. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.